So we're at this ditch, and I rode my dirt bike here, and I'm with him, and I brought my dirt bike, and he brought his, and we brought our tractor. I'm joking, but that was already there, and this is where we're gonna jump our dirt bikes, right here. We just jump them up that, and he'll show you how we jump it. And that's how we jump it, and we're gonna be doing that for like 10 minutes, and then we'll go somewhere else. We came back to his house because he had to charge his dirt bike, and we're riding that. He's riding that, and I'm riding this 360, and yeah, here we go. And that was our game of tag. Ethan's, and we're about to do water ball flips. Here's his dog. Turn on the lights. Let's go water ball flip.
Fine choice.
One. Two, 3, 4, 5.
Peace.
Now we're gonna go down to his cul-de-sac, and we're gonna what are we gonna do?
Ride.
We're gonna ride our bikes, so we'll vlog that. We're riding there right now, and I got this giant tire bike, and it drifts super good, and we're gonna go drifting. We decided not to go to the cul-de-sac because there was nobody there or nothing to do, so we just went to this ditch. There's a bunch of mud, and
We came here with our dirt bikes.
no, we didn't.
Here we did.
Oh yeah, last time we did. And then because we went to that, hold up. There's a ditch over there, and we rode our bikes from there to, our dirt bikes from there to here, and we went to his house because that's a shortcut. And then now we just brought our bikes here. And last time we came here, there was a ramp, and then it got destroyed. So we're gonna try to make another ramp. I don't even know what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? So we'll see you when we figure out what to do here. To leave Ethan's because I'm going out to Spring, and I'll probably vlog there because I'm going to my friend's house, and we're probably gonna do something. So I'll see you when, because from here it's like an hour away, so there'll probably not be a video in the car. So I'll see you when we get there. Bye. Hey guys, I decided not to vlog there because it was gonna be like weird to vlog there. And then we were riding hoverboards there, and I was on the hoverboard like sitting down in the grass, and I was going like full speed on the hoverboard. Then it like died, and I flew off like 5 feet, and it was like so fun. And now I'm probably going to figure out something to do. It's 6 right now, and the sun's going down, so we're gonna do something before the sun goes down, and then we'll end the vlog. I'm about to go eat dinner, and like right now I'm about to end the vlog, or no, not right now, but I'll show you what I'm eating for dinner. And I'm gonna go to the Rio Bravo, and it's like a dirt bike track. And if you watch my video on Outdoor Beast, it's a video of Rio Bravo, and I'll probably put some clips of the Rio Bravo riding in this video, or tomorrow's video. And then, because last time, if you watched the Outdoor Beast one, the one on Outdoor Beast, it was kind of like shaky and stuff because I forgot my GoPro mount, so I had to tape my GoPro on my helmet. That's why it was all like shaky. Because it's like an hour away, that's why we wouldn't go back to get it. And so I'll see you when I'm eating dinner. So we're going to this Japanese place, and we're gonna be there in like 5 minutes. And I'm gonna show you my food, and then that'll be the end of the vlog.
Okay. No, the fire. Fire. For it. Lauren, hold my hand.
That's so dramatic.
I'm scared. I remember whenever I was in second, I flew out of my seat one time. When I was in second grade, I would always hide under the table. Yes! That's what my brother did. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is so lit. Oh, sorry. So loud. Okay, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's so hot.
What room do I have? What room do I have?